Look at the line. Good. We came out here to San Jose for some poke in Japantown, but we really came for the strawberry mochi. But it was sold out already at 9 in the morning and they open at 10, so I think people like were already lining up and everything, so we didn't get that. Next time we will come early. But this is my plate. I got a tuna poke salad, which looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. It looks so pretty. Let's try the poke. Maybe. I got the tuna salad, no, tuna poke salad, and he got the spicy octopus tuna bowl. I mean, spicy octopus poke bowl. This is a lot. Yeah, this is a big ass tomato. How I can't even grab it with like.
Yeah, we should have brought the cooler.
So we came all the way out here to Santo's Market, and the location of it is like at the corner of the block, so it's kind of bad in a way because it's not much parking. So we ordered it, got our food, and just drove around the block and just parked on the side of the neighborhood. And yeah, it's like Japantown, but it's not the heart of Japantown. It's outside of Japantown. But not bad, not bad. Our first time and it's not bad. It's just the parking situation. Can you see us? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So they double the price. So there's 6 in there.
I think these are a vibe. Are they a vibe?
That's what I said.
Do you like it?
It look like you could be in Lilo and Stitch movie.
Lilo and Stitch. Pink and white one. Oh, it's big. I like the white one. The white ones are a vibe. I look like Powerpuff Girl. No. How cute that is. It's a luggage backpack. Perfect for Grayson. He will love this. Aww. That's so cute. Look, this is Ryan. It's a brown Kirby. How cute. Gee. Good. So we are at the beach now, but before we came to the beach, some of the things we did at the mall was we walked around, checked out a couple stores, and walked out with this little cutie from Miniso. I love elephants, and I just love that it's pink. And we got some tea. I got the peach mojito, and Ryan got the strawberry ice blended with lychee jelly and ice cream in here. And then we made our way to the beach, so I'll see you guys on the beach. Do you see that mountain behind me? Is that real? Wow. So this is the parking lot. That's the highway. We took Highway 1 here. This is his first time. This is Pebble Beach. Look at how... What? It's so pretty. Wow. 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 Look at all these seaweed. There's that pretty bridge, so we're gonna go up there and walk the trail. I think there's a trail, so we're gonna make our way back up. We're back up, and this is the trail to that bridge. This beach is so beautiful. So beautiful. Just look at it. All around me. Do you like it here?
Yeah. Very beautiful.
Very pretty, right?
Very nature.
It's first time here. It's very pretty. How pretty. So we heard some passerbyers said that this is an iris. Look at how pretty she is. Wow. I have a niece named Iris, by the way. I was the one who named her. It's such a pretty flower. What? Ta-da! So pretty.
Here, just going along with our...
Yep. Watch your step.
We made it all the way over here.
Pretty. That Highway 1 is where all the beaches are at. Like you just drive along Highway 1 the coast, and there's so many beaches along the stops. And so far we stopped by 2 beaches, and we're gonna keep driving back towards home because it's kind of getting dark sooner here. So we want to make sure that there's light on our way home. We are set up. Look at the view. Wow, that is so pretty. Sitting here, we're gonna eat, play some mancala. These are the food that we had earlier, and hi, look at it. We're still here at the beach. We're one of the few people who are still here. Everybody's packing up to go because it is kind of getting, it looks like it's getting dark, but it's like overcast over here at the beach, and it's starting to get a little bit cold, but the water feels so good. The sand is so soft. Like, I love it right now. We're probably just gonna sit for a little bit longer and then we're gonna head out. But I wanted to talk about my nails. Look at them. Oh. Aren't they pretty? These are Gelux nail by my sister who does press-on nails. She wanted to practice on my nails and see how long they will actually stay, and they look so good. Like, they're so good, and then they're so perfect because I'm going strawberry picking, and there's ladybugs and strawberries on there with daisies. Very cute, very on theme also. So very proud of her. We'll see. Today is day 2 or day 3 of these on. Let's see how long they stay on. But how pretty. We give you guys the view. Just chasing the birds.
Look at that sunset. It's A1.
in your basket. Wait. Cute.
Yeah. Wow.
It's the biggest one. Okay. Look at it, it's not even red. My basket's almost full. He's still over there picking in the red, so let's see how much he has. I'll make my way over. These are our baskets. He picked some pretty good ones. Look at that. And I picked some. Some are big, some are small. But yes, we're gonna go to the sand and box it now. It's a Dubai chocolate. That's what they have. We're gonna check out the gift shop now. Look at all these beautiful flowers. How exciting for this. Wow. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, brother? Yeah, you can sit here, okay? Look at the bouquet he got me. They're so pretty. And they match my nails so well. Look at my strawberry ladybug daisy nails. So cute, so cute. And then now we are going to try the strawberry Dubai chocolate. They sell these here. This cup was a medium cup for $15. And here at Granny May's Strawberry Farm, it's so cute and pretty here. They have a lot of little pop-ups thingies where you could take photos, and then they have a gift shop, and of course you pick the strawberries. There's so many different kinds of strawberries, and that is our basket of strawberries together into a box. So yeah, that is what we did on a Sunday morning. It is currently 10 o'clock. First taste test of the Dubai chocolate in a strawberry cup. I think this is Ryan's first time having it. Wait.
How's it?
I was not expecting all that crunch.
Yeah, you're ready for chocolate with strawberry? Look at that. How big open. For strawberry. Dubai chocolate with strawberry.
Wait, that's good. That's really good. It's good?
Bounce out.
That's really good.
Big old strawberry in there.
Now we're gonna eat that